Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this session, we'll be exploring how some of the most successful crypto millionaires made their first $1 million. With the world of cryptocurrencies being as volatile and exciting as it is, many have found their fortunes in this space, while others have faced massive challenges. Today, we'll look at the different paths they took to achieve success and the strategies they used to build their wealth. Let's dive in. Early adoption of Bitcoin. The first path many crypto millionaires took was early adoption, particularly with Bitcoin. Imagine back in 2010 when Bitcoin was worth just a few cents. Early adopters who saw the potential in the world of decentralized currencies invested in Bitcoin when it wasn't even on anyone's radar. These investors weren't looking for a quick flip or short-term gains, they were visionaries who believed in the technology and its long-term impact. One of the most notable examples is the early Bitcoin miners. People who invested in Bitcoin mining rigs in the early 2010s, when mining was relatively easy and less competitive, struck gold. Some bought thousands of Bitcoins for pennies, and by the time Bitcoin reached even $1,000 in 2013, their investments had already multiplied significantly. Fast forward to today, Bitcoin has crossed the $60,000 mark, meaning those early investors became multi-millionaires. ICOs, the gold rush of cryptocurrency. Another significant way people made their first million is through initial coin offerings, or ICOs. ICOs were the cryptocurrency equivalent of a stock IPO, initial public offering, but much riskier and less regulated. They offered early-stage investors the chance to buy into a new project by purchasing tokens before they were listed on major exchanges. Take Ethereum, for example. When Vitalik Buterin launched Ethereum in 2014, he raised funds through an ICO. Early investors were able to purchase ETH tokens for a few cents, and today, those tokens are worth thousands of dollars. Ethereum didn't just create a new cryptocurrency, it pioneered the idea of smart contracts, allowing decentralized applications, dApps, to be built on its platform. Investing in ICOs was high risk, but for those who took the chance on projects with strong potential, the rewards were extraordinary. A $1,000 investment in Ethereum's ICO could have made you tens of millions when ETH's price soared. It was a wild time in the crypto space, but for those who did their research and jumped in early, it paid off tremendously. Crypto trading, the art of timing the market. Another method that made many crypto millionaires is active trading, more specifically, day trading and swing trading. Unlike long-term holders, traders capitalize on short-term price movements, buying and selling based on market trends and technical analysis. During the 2017 Bitcoin bull run, many traders made huge profits by buying at low points and selling at the peak. Crypto markets can fluctuate wildly, and this volatility can be a trader's best friend if they know how to read the charts and time their buys and sells. For example, day traders on platforms like Binance or Coinbase Pro made their millions by jumping in during price dips and selling quickly as prices surged. As the popularity of cryptocurrencies increased, so did the volume of trades, allowing active traders to capitalize on short-term trends, often using leverage to multiply their gains. Crypto mining. The digital gold rush. Let's talk about crypto mining, which is another way many early crypto millionaires struck it rich. Crypto mining involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems that verify transactions on the blockchain. In return, miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency. The early days of Bitcoin mining were much simpler and far less competitive than today. Back then, it was possible to mine Bitcoin using personal computers. Those who invested in mining hardware in the early 2010s were able to generate significant returns as Bitcoin's value skyrocketed. One example is the miners who set up shop in places with cheap electricity, like parts of China, and took advantage of lower costs to mine Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. As Bitcoin's price rose, the rewards for mining also increased. However, with the increasing difficulty of mining and the need for specialized equipment today, mining has become much more capital-intensive. That being said, early miners who stuck with it were rewarded with massive profits. Yield farming and staking in DeFi. Next up is the world of DeFi, or decentralized finance, which exploded in 2020. One of the most innovative ways crypto millionaires have made their fortunes is through yield farming and staking. Yield farming involves providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges and protocols in return for interest and additional tokens. In a similar vein, staking allows you to lock up certain cryptocurrencies to help secure blockchain networks, and in exchange, you earn rewards. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and Uniswap allowed users to earn passive income by participating in decentralized finance ecosystems. Some investors would put their assets into these platforms, earning lucrative rewards through interest or new token distributions. This was a game changer, as DeFi allowed crypto holders to earn real returns without ever having to sell their tokens. These techniques helped crypto millionaires build their wealth passively, all while the world of decentralized finance evolved. NFTs, the digital art revolution. Another massive opportunity for crypto millionaires came in the form of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are unique digital assets verified on the blockchain, and in 2021, they took the art world by storm. Creators, investors, and collectors began to trade rare digital art, collectibles, and even virtual real estate. Early adopters who bought low-priced NFTs and flipped them for huge profits found themselves entering the million-dollar club. Similarly, platforms like OpenSea and Rarible became bustling marketplaces for NFT traders to buy, sell, and collect digital art. For those who got in early, NFTs became a life-changing opportunity, and many are now crypto millionaires thanks to their savvy investments. Building crypto startups. Let's not forget the entrepreneurs who built crypto startups. Binance and Coinbase are two of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world, and the founders of these companies became extremely wealthy by creating platforms that simplified crypto trading for the masses, creating a cryptocurrency exchange, building innovative solutions like wallets, or developing decentralized applications. dApps positioned these entrepreneurs to create huge wealth. By providing tools for the growing crypto market, they laid the foundation for mass adoption and infrastructure development, which in turn made their companies and investments soar. Conclusion. As you can see, there are many ways to make your first million in the crypto world. Whether through early adoption of Bitcoin, investing in ICOs, trading, mining, or creating innovative products, there's no one-size-fits-all approach, but all these paths share one common theme: risk and vision. Many crypto millionaires took significant risks, often investing in unknown projects or volatile markets, but they had the vision to see the potential of a new, decentralized financial world. So, whether you're looking to get started in the world of cryptocurrency or you're already involved, take a page out of these successful millionaires' playbooks, stay informed, take calculated risks, and keep an eye on the future of finance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions you have about getting started in crypto.